Oh my god, guys. There's a thunderstorm in my area. Those people driving their cars. And what the heck is going on right now? Whoa! That was a strike, guys. That didn't scare me at all. Oh. These people are staying home in their apartments. So do I. Why are these people still driving? What? What the? Well, unsafe. Oh, I hear the raindrops. Oh, these aren't the raindrops. I see some tiny raindrops falling from the sky. Ooh. Ooh. The lightning is flashing. It's like electric in the sky. Get it? Thank God there aren't any loud rumbling sounds from the lightning.